Okay, this is what we're putting together. This is from Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight. It was on sale, so I picked it up the other day. Started tackling it. Came with a bunch of parts. Quite interesting, actually. A lot of screws, a lot of this, a lot of that. But if you follow the instructions real slow, it seems to come taking form here. So this is the base frame. Got the plugs, outlets in there. Salesman gave me a tip. He said make sure you don't tighten all the screws up. I agree with him. This way you can adjust everything, get it in there pretty well. But this is the base, and I'll take more videos as soon as I get this all done, or as I move along here. But yeah, it's actually quite interesting the way this goes together.